Yeah, hey guys, this is our RESINZWOOD Art Resin. It's 2:1 by weight ratio. This comes in a 3 kilo pack. This resin has been designed by artists for artists, and I can assure you this will be the best product you have ever used. This product is suited for all types of resin art applications, from coasters, jewelry, all the way through to geode art and wall art. The possibilities are quite simply endless what you can do with this product. You can pour it up to 10 millimeters thick. It has a pot life of about 30 minutes, and it has a working life of over 30 minutes after you do your pour. We have online tutorials so you can find out how to mix the product the best possible way, and the basic principle applies to all epoxy resins. So if you want the best quality resin for your art and for your coasters and that sort of thing, come across to Resin Wood Tables NZ.com or resinswood.com, and under epoxy resins you'll find this 3 kilo kit.